Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discovery Boss. Alright, so just a quick update on this commercial development behind me for you guys. I know I haven't done an update on it in a while, so a quick update for you guys. Alright, so I think this is the third video I'm doing on this complex, Lady Musgrave Road. That's where this commercial development is located, not too far from TGIF, which is down the road. Right. Alright, so the lawns of Jamaica House is also down that side as well. We'll set up the drone. It's a drone video for sure, so hopefully when we set up the drone you guys can see better shots. So Lady Musgrave Road, they took down the billboard which shows some pictures of the finished complex, but I'll put the link for the previous video I did so you guys can see what it will look like when it's finished. As usual, remember to subscribe. Subscribing is free and that's the easiest way to support the channel. Remember to like, comment and share as well. So a quick video includes some drone shots. We'll set up the drone, so stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so Lady Musgrave Road, new commercial development. It's raining right now, so we'll come back and do the drone shots on a sunny day. Alright guys, as I said before, or as I mentioned, not sure why they removed the billboards, but you can check the comments. I'll put the link in the comments for a previous video I did which shows pictures of what the finished look will be, so you guys can stay tuned for that. So in the comments the link will show a previous video showing the finished building. So it's raining, I'm still out here, but I'll come back another day, finish up the video and get some drone shot for you guys, so stay tuned for that. So far the design is looking good, it's moving fast as well. 1 2 3 4, basically 4 to 5 floors, so not bad.